Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure for us, for PNT, to give a speech here at this Eurocloud Congress. My name is Welter. My presentation is just coming up right now. I will talk to you about the PNT Media Cloud, which is a new product which we are launching today. We have launched the press communiqué de presse 10 minutes ago. So it's really a brand new thing we are talking here. You will see tomorrow in the newspapers. My name is Welter, as already mentioned. I'm Director of Marketing and Innovation at PNT Luxembourg. And I would like, before I get into the meat of my presentation, just to tell you a few words, for those who don't know it, about who is PNT Luxembourg. Actually, we are the leading, or I would say the incumbent telecom operator here in the country. We are owned by the state and backed by the state. We have been not only doing telecom, but originally also post and finance. And in our country, in Luxembourg, this is still all together. So it's one company doing post, Bank of the Post and Telecom. We have a turnover of €500 million, which is not big, but for Luxembourg, it's still okay. We're the fifth employer of the country with 3,800 people. We sell all typical telecom products like you know them, fiber, ADSL, mobile, IPTV, IPVPN, everything. I would say nearly everything, probably. We received 5 times in a row the award of the best telecom operator. You could say 5 times is not a lot, but the prize was only created 5 years ago. So I consider it was a success. And we also received several awards for data centers and many other prizes. This is just I would say 2 of them, but there are many more. I have a quite important challenge here in front of me. I have to give you the last speech of the day, and I know the day was I would say, probably crowded from presentation discussions, very rich discussions that I've been following. So I've tried to make this presentation a little bit lighter, because it's the last one. I hope you will enjoy it. The first thing I wanted to tell you, and it's a little bit, I'd say, a clin d'œil, as we say in French, something just to think about it, and then maybe to forget. I'm pretending that PNT Luxembourg, probably like any telco, has been doing cloud since ever. Why? You remember this picture? This picture goes a long, long time back at PNT, probably the same as others. And I'm going to try to tell you why this was already cloud. So what I did, I took the definition of cloud in Wikipedia. They give some features. What is a cloud? What is not a cloud? I'm just going to list the main of them. Scalability and on demand. Telephony, you pick up the phone, it's on demand. It's there when you want it. When you don't want it, you just leave the phone there. So on this criteria, we are there. Cost, no capex apart from the device, but the rest is all OPEX. So it's fully in there. Location independent and device independent. Now even more with the GSM, you can call from anywhere. Multi-tenancy, all these young ladies do the job for you, and you don't have to do it, you don't have to pay it. So you basically share your resources among many people. Reliability, yes, it's reliable. Normally the fixed phone line never breaks. Same is nearly true for the GSM, except when you are in a garage or parking. Security, it's normally secure. All our people are assermentés, as we say in French, so they've promised not to reveal anything. So I would say from all these points of views, it's fully the cloud. We were doing it nearly 100 years ago. And the maintenance for the end consumer, for the user, there is hardly no maintenance. We take care of the maintenance. And voila, so we have been doing cloud for the telecom. I told you a few minutes before that we were even doing postal services, and there the analogy is true as well. If you look at the nice bicycle of this agent, well, it's on demand. You give a letter or not. It's no OPEX, you just pay the stamps. Sorry, no CAPEX, just the stamp. The device and location independent, you throw it where you want. It's multi-tenancy, well, we share the cost. It's reliable, it's secure, and the maintenance is great. I would still add it's dynamic. Look at the bicycle. It looks really a wonderful model for that time. But that was the little joke, that was the little introduction joke. Of course, today, when we speak about cloud, we mean something different. We don't mean the old postal and telecom solutions. We talk about virtualization, we talk about redundancy, about agility, about monitoring, of course. We have been talking about this the whole day. Broadband access, of course. Everybody talks about cloud. If you type cloud on Google, you find 1.4 billion results. I did the same thing, the same search, end of November last year. We were at 1.01 billion, so 1 billion. So in 9 months, 400 million more results on Google have been added. So everybody talks cloud. And the first, of course, is cloud computing, and not the normal cloud we know from the old time, I would say. But Okay, of course we have a cloud offer, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on our cloud offer. We call it P&T Cloud Services. We have more than 1,000 virtual servers, which is in Luxembourg quite a lot. We have, it's redundant, it's secured, it's end-to-end. I think you get the picture. It is to the latest state of the art. We offer infrastructure, collaboration, applications. We also have our TerraLink, which is the connectivity, which is very important to link it, of course. And you will find more details on cloud services. But the main point of my presentation is not to speak about, I would say, the standard cloud, but about the media cloud. Why have we started the media cloud? Basically for two things. First of all, we had an experience already in the cloud. I've just shown it for the standard services. Secondly, like a telecom operator, we also gained a lot of experience in multimedia. My former experience was within SES Astra. Maybe you know it. It is the satellite company here in Luxembourg. I spent 12 years there. And some of my colleagues as well have gained a significant experience in multimedia. So at P&T, of course, we launched, I think the battery has some issues. We launched an IPTV platform. We now have more than 230 channels for Little Luxembourg. It's quite a lot. With HD, 3D HD, we have more than 1,000 films in VOD, catch-up TV as well. We created new interactive channels. Already, I would say nearly 15% of the country is connected with our solution, which is, after 4 years, quite good. But from these two experiences, cloud and multimedia, we created and we launched today, and we take the opportunity of the Eurocloud Congress to launch it, the Media Cloud. So what it is about, it's very simple. What is the objective? Provide a distribution mean, an IP distribution mean, to reach the widest audience with the highest visibility. What do we do and how do we do it? Yeah. One thing you probably know, a picture is worth 1,000 words. That's why a video is even more. You just need to look at this to understand the pitch, or at this little, I guess you see it, little, what is it? I don't know. I even don't know the word in English. But I think that's the reason why we based our PT Media Cloud on multimedia, because a video brings much more than just text or, I don't know, yeah, text or audio. So what does it do? It's very simple. You take any source, live content, you have a file, you have a website, which many small companies have, but they don't have much more things. You have advertising, and you want to get ad revenue for this. What do? We just inject it in our cloud, in the PT Media Cloud. And with this, you can reach 4 types of screens. So basically all the audience, at home on the TV set, while you are traveling, or even in the office on your PC, on your tablet, and on your smartphone. And this, we do it not only with a linear channel, so something which flows, which is, you know, from A to Z, 24 hours a day, something new, but also on demand. So when our customers deposit their video content on our media cloud, the same content can be used to feed the on-demand usage on PCs, tablets, smartphone, and even on the TV. Those people who have TV by P&T, our IPTV solution, can watch their content very easily. I will show you some examples later on. So basically what we do, and sorry for this, I had no time to translate this slide, but you will get the picture. We do the file storage, we do the streaming, we do the linear channels, we aggregate the contents, we do VOD, we can plan campaigns and reporting, we organize the content. That's very often a key, I would say, breaker, preventer, the content organization. A lot of organizations have some content, but it's in different formats and it's not, I would say, organized. There is no metadata. There is nothing to really to make it easy to access. And of course, we make it interactive. Some concrete examples. Food School TV, a channel created here in Luxembourg about teaching students, small boys and girls, how to learn to play football. So football training via TV. We aggregated from a video catalog the company has bought, put it on our servers, and it is available on our TV system, reaching the 25,000 customers I've mentioned, but also transported via TerraLink, our international broadband system, to Paris, where 2 big IPTV players take it and inject it in their network. So it's not just a Luxembourgish thing. 2 minutes. That's great. I'm nearly there. Another one, Wort. Wort is the main newspaper. They have created a TV version of their website. It's an aggregation of their videos and different websites, and it's available on our TV and in streaming. Simba, very small local producer of content. Well, we just made there a connector to their website. So as easy as that, and you can have it on the TV set. I think we should change the battery next time for tomorrow. Yeah, we created some APIs. Paperjam, you probably know Paperjam, those who are Luxembourgers. It's an economic newspaper. They've created also a VOD catalog on TV and on the internet, and they even created an app, and it's directly coming from the Media Cloud. And last but not least, last application is the interactive voting. So you know probably this contest in your own country, it's called normally The Voice. In Luxembourg, for several reasons, it was called The One. Well, people had the possibility, using the Media Cloud, PNT Media Cloud, to vote for their favorite candidates during the qualifications and during the final. And we had more than 13,000 people voting with their remote control. It was really a big success. So I think I'm at the conclusion. You can create TV channels very easily, less than 4 weeks for a TV channel, a linear HD TV channel and its VOD catalog. We also allow us to create application, etc., to order documents, applications, anything, info channel, promo screen in shops. It can be enriched with website. It can enrich websites, teleeducation, of course, live contribution from events. I think this should be it. 1 second. Let's see. And this is the last video we launched today on our website about the PNT Media Cloud. So 1 minute it takes. I hope we can do it. Okay. Et voilà, as you see it, we're quite far away from the first picture I showed you. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have questions, we are here to talk. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That's very interesting. So, one question.
Any questions? Yeah, please. No, we have our own cloud, of course, our own data centers. PNT has 19,000 square meters of data centers. So yeah, for Luxembourg, we have enough space, rooms, racks in our teleport also to host this. We have also satellite uplinks if you need them. So yeah, we do this in-house, I would say.
So thank you very much. So as we've seen this afternoon, maybe the cloud is not revolutionary, as Steve Jobs cited, but what technology and the people's innovation and knowledge bring together, that's a real revolution at our organization. So thank you very much for the afternoon, and Phil.